Welcome to Fluent English Speaking. Trying a new recipe together.
All right, Sam. Today, we're trying something new in the kitchen. All right, Sam. Today, we're trying something new in the kitchen.
Yay! What are we making, Mom? Yay! What are we making, Mom?
We're making homemade pizza. We're making homemade pizza.
Wow! I love pizza. But I thought we always order it. Wow! I love pizza. But I thought we always order it.
Not today. We'll make it from scratch. It'll be fun. Not today. We'll make it from scratch. It'll be fun.
Okay. What do we need? Okay. What do we need?
We need flour, water, yeast, salt, cheese, and toppings like tomatoes, olives, and bell peppers. We need flour, water, yeast, salt, cheese, and toppings like tomatoes, olives, and bell peppers.
Got it. What do we do first? Got it. What do we do first?
First, we mix the flour, water, yeast, and salt to make the dough. Here, you mix it while I add the water. First, we mix the flour, water, yeast, and salt to make the dough. Here, you mix it while I add the water.
It's so sticky. Is it supposed to be like this? It's so sticky. Is it supposed to be like this?
Haha, yes. Now, we knead it until it's soft and smooth. Haha, yes. Now, we knead it until it's soft and smooth.
This feels like playing with clay. This feels like playing with clay.
Exactly. Now, we let the dough rest for 30 minutes. Exactly. Now, we let the dough rest for 30 minutes.
30 minutes? That's a long time. 30 minutes? That's a long time.
Good things take time. While we wait, let's prepare the toppings. Good things take time. While we wait, let's prepare the toppings.
I'll chop the tomatoes. I'll chop the tomatoes.
Be careful. Let me show you how to hold the knife safely. Be careful. Let me show you how to hold the knife safely.
Okay, got it. Okay, got it.
Now, we roll the dough, add the toppings, and bake it for 15 minutes. Now, we roll the dough, add the toppings, and bake it for 15 minutes.
The kitchen smells amazing. The kitchen smells amazing.
And it's ready. Let's take it out and slice it. And it's ready. Let's take it out and slice it.
Wow, Mom. It looks better than the restaurant pizza. Wow, Mom. It looks better than the restaurant pizza.
See? Cooking at home is fun. Now, let's taste it. See? Cooking at home is fun. Now, let's taste it.
This is the best pizza ever. We should do this more often. This is the best pizza ever. We should do this more often.
I agree. Next time, we can try making pasta. I agree. Next time, we can try making pasta.
Yay! I can't wait. Yay! I can't wait. Great job. Listening and practicing real-life conversations like this will make your English more fluent and natural. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful lessons. See you in the next video.